In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to match two shots in Nuke using grade and color correct. We'll walk through reading both shots into Nuke, shaping contrast and brightness with a grade node, balancing midtones with gamma, fine-tuning with color correct, and comparing the results in the viewer until both shots sit together naturally. Start by bringing both shots into your node graph and loading them in the viewer. Take a moment to decide which one will be your reference and which one you'll adjust. Look for key cues like overall exposure, contrast, and skin tones or neutrals if they're visible. Keep the reference untouched so you always have a consistent target to match. On the shot you're adjusting, add a grade node. Grade is your primary tool for setting levels. Begin with black point and white point to establish contrast. Set black point so your deepest shadows feel grounded but not crushed. You want detail to remain where it should. Then set white point so highlights feel bright and clean without clipping. Think of black point and white point as anchors for the darkest and brightest parts of the image. As you move them, keep an eye on the viewer. Aim for a similar depth of blacks and brightness of whites to what you see in the reference. Small moves go a long way, so adjust gradually. Next, use gamma to balance the midtones. If your shot feels too murky, lift gamma slightly to open the mids. If it feels washed out, lower gamma a touch to restore body. The goal is to align the overall feel of the image with your reference without undoing the contrast you established. If the image is still a bit off in overall brightness, use multiply and add. Multiply scales luminance, making the picture proportionally brighter or darker, while add offsets the image up or down uniformly. Use multiply when you want to maintain relative contrast, and use add for small global nudges. Again, keep adjustments subtle. If you need finer control, insert a color correct node after the grade. Use its shadows, midtones, and highlights controls to nudge specific tonal ranges into place. This is especially helpful if, for example, the shadows match, but the highlights are still a touch hot or the mids need a slight lift. Keep adjustments restrained so the image stays cohesive. Finally, compare both shots in the viewer until they look consistent. Toggle between them or use an A/B comparison to check continuity. Evaluate exposure, contrast, and overall color balance across multiple frames, then fine-tune until the transition feels seamless.